Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And if you are new here, please remember to hit the subscribe button. You won't regret it. Today I'm going to show you how to remove audio from a video using iMovie. Maybe the time you're taking the video there were people talking or there was music playing and you do not want that in your video. So it is actually quite simple. Once you have your clip down here, as you can notice, this clip has two shades of blue. If the clip didn't have any audio, there would only be one shade of blue down here. So what we are going to do is right click on this clip and select detach audio, and once you have this green part over here, you right click on the green part and select delete, and it is as easy as that. Your clip now does not have any audio because there is only one shade of blue here. Thank you so much for watching. Please do return to this channel for more similar content. Bye.